Welcome to the Salespad of the D ecosystem. Today we're going to see how to buy DUSD directly from our website, DCD.ecosystem.io. First, you need to connect your wallet, either MetaMask or D-Wallet, and ensure you have BNB and USDT. You need BNB for the network fees and USDT to swap for DUSD. To start, you need to buy or transfer BNB and USDT. You can go to MetaMask, click Buy, and purchase directly with your credit card. Choose your country, payment method, and the amount. Follow all the steps, and you will receive what you bought. If you already have cryptocurrency, you can directly transfer it using a QR code. Go to any exchange or wallet and transfer BNB and USDT to swap for DUSD. Once done, you will have BNB and USDT in your MetaMask or D-Wallet on the BNB network. You will have two coins, one for the BNB fee and one for swapping between USDT and DUSD. Next, go to the sales path, enter the amount you want to change, select USDT BEP20 and the amount of DUSD you want to buy. Click Buy and approve the transaction in the MetaMask or wallet pop-up. The transaction fee is generally around 0.07. You will see the transaction processing. It will take a few seconds, so no worries. Once confirmed, you will see the transaction number. Then, go to the D-Chain network and import the DUSD token. We will provide the token contract address. Import it, and you will see your DUSD tokens. Currently, you need 15 DUSD to buy the first level card of Propelx. Don't forget there is a small fee for all transactions, so make sure to get a little extra DUSD. Thank you.